It is the radius, listen to me. It is the radius of the circle at the center of which, it is the radius of the circle at the center of which an arc of the circle of length, arc of length, 1 astronomical unit, subtends an angle of 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Therefore, what is that? Here it is 1 parsec. Let it be AB. 1 parsec. What is 1 parsec? 1 parsec is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle at the center of which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit, okay, subtends an angle of 1 second. 1 second. Okay, therefore, once again, it is what is called this radius. Then the radius is what is called parsec. Parsec or parallactic second. Parallactic second. Parsec or parallactic second. Okay, therefore, what is parsec? 1 parsec is the radius of the circle at the center of which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. Subtends an angle of 1 second. Is it clear? Therefore, now what is arc length? Length of the arc that is equal to 1 astronomical unit. Correct? Therefore, I have to convert now this one into meter. Meter 1 point, just now we have seen 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 11 meter. Okay. And what is your theta? Theta that is equal to 1 second. That is 1 second. That is 1 second. Right. That 1 second, you cannot, you have to convert it once again to SI unit. Okay, see, our job is to find out what is a parsec. Parsec, it is nothing, radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Therefore, here, you know that what is the radius, how to find out the radius of the circle from here. R is equal to, can you give me from this? I think you have idea. What is R? Angle is known, arc length is known. Can you give me what is R?
L by theta.
L by theta. R is equal to L by theta.
L by theta.
Okay. Therefore, now we have to find L. L already you know it is in SI unit. We have converted 1 astronomical unit is converted into 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Now what is theta? Theta is 1 second, but second cannot be used. I have to once again convert it into what is that? Radian. SI unit is radian. So that I have to convert. How to convert? 1 second is equal to, first you convert it into minute. 1 by 16 minute. Okay. And 1 by 60 minute, it has to be converted into degrees. Okay. How to convert? 1 by 60 into, I think you have idea. Minute by 60 is degree. You have idea, I think? Degree. Okay. 1 by 60 minute. I am see, step by step I am going. 1 second. First I am converted into minute. Okay. After that I am converting it to second. After that I am converting into radian. Okay. So degree to radian, how to convert degree to radian?
Pi by 180.
60.
Pi by 180.
Pi by 180 radian. Is it clear? So now, very simple now. See, R is equal to L by theta. L is ready. And theta is also ready in SI unit. 1 by 60 into pi by 180 radian. Therefore, now you have to find out what is parsec. Okay. Therefore, by using, you know that R that is equal to L into theta. Now this r is nothing but parsec. According to the definition, what is 1 parsec? Once again, 1 parsec is the radius of the circle at the center of which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. Therefore, you know what is r? R is now 1 parsec. Radius is nothing but 1 parsec. 1 parsec, that is equal to L. L is 1 astronomical unit divided by 1 second. Okay, and that is 1 astronomical unit is here 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter divided by 1 second. 1 second is 1 by, tell me pi by 60 into 60 into 180. Correct? Also this meter and this is a radian. Okay, therefore that is nothing but if you substitute 1.496 into 10 power 11 into 60 into 60 into 180 divided by pi. Okay, if you substitute that, you value the final value I'm giving. See 3.1 parsec. How many? You definitely should get this value if you multiply, and if you calculate it, 2.084 into 10 power 16 meter. 10 power 16 meter. Therefore, if I slightly approximate, so that will be easy for you, 1 parsec, that is equal to 3.1 I can take into 10 power 16. Is it clear? 1 parsec is equal to 3.1 to 10 power 16. This is parsec. Okay. Understood? Understood? Nanda Kishore, can you define?
Yes, ma'am.
And define what? Parsec.
Ma'am, 1 parsec is equal to the radius of the circle at which the arc subtends 1 second at the one radian at the center of the circle with 1 astronomical unit as its length.
Once again, what the confusing statement? Once again.
Ma'am, 1 parsec is the radius of the circle at which its angle subtends radius
of the circle at the center of which, at which means?
Okay.
Once again.
At the center of which.
Very good.
At the center of it, its substance angle of.
Well, which substance? Which substance?
The arc.
Arc of length. Important.
Arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends the angle of 1 second.
That's
1 radian.
1 radian. Once again. 1 second, ma. 1 second. We have converted 1 second to radian afterwards. Why? Because we want everything in SI unit.
Okay.
Whatever calculations we make, switch off the audio. There is a disturbance. See, we have to convert everything to SI unit. Okay, before whatever we are calculating, I think right from 10th standard, I think I told you in the class itself, everything should be converted into SI unit. Here, but here 1 astronomical unit is not a SI unit, and 1 second is not a SI unit for time. But it is a definition. Definition. Yeah.
Ma'am, I was unable to hear you. Can you repeat once again?
Which one?
Ma'am, just before.
Yeah. See, that is why I'm telling you, everything should be converted into SI unit. That is very, very important. Okay. Here, 1 parsec is nothing but it is a radius of the circle. 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. Okay. But you cannot, just like that 1 astronomical unit, you cannot substitute. You have to convert it into meter. Like that, angle is second. You have to convert it into radian. You cannot say it is 1 radian, it is 1 second only. But for substitution, you are converting theta of 1 second to radian. Radian is 1 by 60 into 60 into pi by 180. You cannot say it is 1 Radian, it is 1 second only. 1 radian means it is different. The angle, everything will be different. Is it clear? So it is 1 second is very important. For the calculation sake, I have converted second to radian. That's it. Anyhow, 1 parsec is equal to 3.1 into 10 power 60 meter. Very good. Now, so next one is, because I can slightly, I don't, because we have to rush. Whichever is required, I'll take. That is enough. I don't want to go even in depth. Already I'm taking some things in depth. Okay. So whatever I am teaching, definitely, if you have beyond, if any doubt is there, you can ask me afterwards. Okay. So that is very, very important, because this how to find out the distance of the sun, that is not required now here in this chapter, sun and the earth. There are so many methods that I cannot elaborate here. For that one, next year you'll be studying what is an astronomical telescope. They are meant for finding a very small angle, very large. By finding the angle, they find out the distance. Okay, so these things are there. Anyhow, the measurement we will be seeing. Anyhow, next I will the answer for that, it will be coming in the next chapter. That is why I don't want to next chapter how to measure. There we will be. That's why I don't want to give in detail. Okay. Anyhow, 1 parsec is this. Next one is relation between.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you please repeat definition of parsec?
Hereafter, I am going to count. Okay, how many times? One of you, that assignment I am going to give. How many times the teacher is giving one definition? Okay, that I want. Anyhow, 1 parsec. Okay, 1 parsec. Because of mere what is that, concentration is not there, because of that means I don't like. Okay, if you are putting all your effort to understand, after that if you are not able to understand, I am very much ready to explain. Okay, so that matters, that differentiates, that is why. Anyhow, 1 parsec. 1 parsec. Who has asked this question?
Ma'am, Nandakishore.
Oh, Nandakishore only. Nandakishore. It is the radius of the circle, at the center of which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. That's it. Hope Nandakishore.
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. Relation between astronomical unit. Now we are going to relate all the 3. We have seen so many big units of length now. 3 big units. What are they? Astronomical unit, light year, and parsec. So relation between AU, light year, and parsec. Nandakishore, have you got the TC?
No, ma'am, not yet. I have even, ma'am, I searched, ma'am, in this post office, but nothing is there.
Whether you
No
have
information about it.
you ask from office now.
Ma'am?
Office, you call office. How come?
Ma'am,
Okay.
they said they sent the TC, but not yet received.
Oh, right. So when are you going to join there?
Ma'am, I don't know. No
Okay.
idea, ma'am.
Right. Now we are going to see relation between 1 astronomical unit, light year, and parsec. Okay. I am going to take 1 pair now. How astronomical unit and parsec are related. Okay. To start with, let me first write 1 astronomical unit. Can you give me what is 1 astronomical unit? One of you. 1 point. Approximate row. 1 point.
1.5
Ma'am,
into 10.
1.496.
Yeah, 496, approximately 1.5 into 10 power 11. Okay. 1 light year. 9.46 into
9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter.
15 meter. Okay. 1 parsec.
3.1 into 10 to the power
1 into
16.
10 power 16 meter.
Very good. So, okay. Therefore, now I am going to take these two first. How astronomical unit and light years are, light year is related. Therefore, how to do, which is more out of this? Which is a big unit?
Parasec.
Light year.
Light year. Therefore, now what I am going to do is 1 light year by 1 astronomical unit. Karo. Okay. That is nothing but 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter, of course, divided by astronomical unit is 1.496 or 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter. Okay. Therefore, what is the answer? Can you give me? ये तो 10 power 4 हो जाएगा ना, 15, 11, 10 power 4, right? Okay. 9.46 divided by 1.5. Who will give?
6.3.
Oh.
6.3.
6.3 into 10 power 4. Are you following? Therefore, now this gives you the relation. Therefore, 1 light year, that is equal to 6.3 into 10 power 4 astronomical unit. Correct? This is the relation between light year and astronomical. They ask you, relate this, any two, like that. This is the method. Okay? Right. So now we have got 1 light year is nothing but 6.3 into 10 power 4 astronomical unit. Right. Now, let us go for parsec and light year. Let us see how parsec and light year are related. 1 parsec, which is more parsec, correct? Therefore, let me take 1 parsec divided by 1 light year, that is equal to 3.1 into 10 power 16 meter divided by 9.46 into 10 power 16 meter. 16 meter divided by 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter, right? Therefore, if you take, this will be, can anyone say?
1.327.
3.26.
3.26. The value is 3.26. Therefore, you are getting the relation between parsec and light year. 1 parsec, that is equal to 3.26 light year, enough? 3.26 light year. Is it clear? Are you following? 1
Yes,
parsec.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Now, one more, which is left? 1 astronomical unit and parsec. Can you take it as homework? Okay? Relation between,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
relation between 1 astronomical unit and 1 parsec. What you have to do? 1 parsec divided by 1 AU. Find it out, that gives you. Is it clear? Hope you are following this. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. What is the time now? 11:59. Right. Okay. Therefore, what are all the other units? Other units means, see, very small units of length. Very, very small units of length. Small distances. How to measure? Measurement of. Practical units, I can say. But now, practical units, very long distances means, now we have seen 3. 1 is astronomical unit, number 2 light year, number 3 is parsec. Like that, very small lengths, how to measure, in which unit we are measuring. Usually, I think small distances can be measured. Okay, small units of length. Very practical units. You see, I am telling only practical units of length. You cannot go beyond it. Whichever you can do. Okay, small units of length. I think you can say 1 micron, micrometer. Okay, anyhow, that is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter. 1 nanometer, that is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, 1 very important one, angstrom. AUGSTROM, angstrom. Angstrom, how to denote it? Symbol 1A. like that. 1 angstrom. What is 1 angstrom? It is 10 power minus 10 meter. 10 power minus 10 meter. Is it clear? Then I think you would have studied Fermi. What is Fermi? Fermi chemistry, I think you would have studied small and big units, no metric powers. Have you studied this? 1 for
10 to the power.
Ma'am, 10 power minus 15.
10 power minus 15. Very small units. Okay, right. Next one is if you go to mass, okay, very heavy mass. Measurement of, for measuring, what are all the units we are using? For measuring very heavy masses. What are all the units you are using? Units for measuring. Okay. What are all the units? Can you tell me? Heavy. Ton. Correct? 1 ton. This is, I think, you familiar na? 1 ton. What is 1 ton? Can you give in kilogram?
1000 kg.
1000 kgs.
1000 kg.
1000 kg.
Right. Then quintal.
100 kg.
100 kg.
100 kg.
Okay. I think yesterday we have seen something about pound, right? 1 pound. What is 1 pound? Yesterday I told you.
0.45 kg.
Around 0.4536 around. Okay. Therefore, that is what is called 1 pound. Right. Apart from that, there is one more very, very important unit. That is astronomical units only. Okay. Very, very large distances. Sorry, not distances. I'm saying practical unit of mass. Okay. The largest practical unit of mass. Okay. Which are used in the astronomical studies is Chandrasekhar limit. Chandrasekhar limit. That is CSL. CSL. Just to honor Chandrasekhar for, I think he did so many experiments, so many observations with the black hole. Okay. So that is why just to honor him, there is one unit given. Okay. On his name, Chandrasekhar's limit. What is Chandrasekhar limit? 1 Chandrasekhar limit. It is a mass. Okay. It's nothing. CSL means it is a very huge unit for mass. 1 CSL. CSL. That is nothing but 1.4 times mass of sun. Mass of sun. Okay. So, Nanda Kishore, please don't ask me how to measure mass of sun. I cannot. Okay. 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 Therefore, experimentally it is they are doing, and only there are the methods what we are, it is beyond our limit. Okay. So we are
Okay.
1 mass of sun. Therefore 1 CSL, that is equal to 1.4 mass of sun. What is mass of sun? Whether you have idea? Okay, 10 power 30. Approximately it is 10 power 30. Okay, actually exactly if you have to say 1.989, I think 1.989. Yeah, 1.989 10 power 30 kilogram is the mass of the sun. Okay, into 1.4. That is 1 CSL. This is your mass of sun. 1.989 into 10 power 3 kilogram is mass of sun. Into 1.4, that gives you 1 CSL. Okay, right. Now let us go for units for measuring very small mass. For small, very small masses. Okay, what are all the units? I think you know whether you have come across AMU, 1 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. What is that is called as 1 AMU. Okay, what is 1 AMU? 1 AMU is nothing but 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram.
Ma'am,
Ah,
sun
One
mass is wrong, I think so.
yeah.
Sun
Number
mass is
30. I told 30, but I think it is good. Okay, 1.989 10 power 30. Okay, good, very good. Okay, so now one atomic mass unit is 1 AMU, that is 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Therefore, all the atomic masses, nuclear mass, atomic mass, everything, if you are measuring only in terms of AMU only. Okay, right. Next one. So this is, you cannot go for atomic mass when there is a practicality. Yeah, see, if you are finding the mass, atomic masses, nuclear masses, you cannot go for astronomical unit, correct? Definitely, there is, you cannot say there is no meaning in it, okay? That is why, how to use, say, depending upon very small mass, what is the unit we are using? That is, AMU is fine, very good. 10 power minus 27 around proton mass. Okay, 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 is proton mass around. Okay, so therefore, this is a very important, that is handy unit for measuring very, very small masses. And I think you would have seen diamond and all, no? Diamond measurement, if you are using, how they will give in carat, they will give. Okay, diamond measurement, you cannot go for kilogram diamond and all, you know. You cannot even, so in that case, for measuring the mass of diamond, that stones, okay, because very precious, there what we are using is carat, 1 carat. Okay, so what is 1 carat? 1 carat means it is nothing but 200 milligram. It's not 200 gram. Even 200 gram is very, very huge unit for mass of diamond, right? Because it's very costly. Therefore, 1 carat of diamond means, what is that? It is very small unit. See, where to use which unit you should know. Okay. Therefore, here for a measurement of very precious stones and so and all, they will use only this unit. Carat. 1 carat is equal to 200 milligram. Milligram. Is it clear? Right. Therefore, now, next one. What are all the practical units for time? Can you give me? Tell me any unit.
Seconds.
Seconds is a
Hours.
solar year.
Minute.
Minute.
Okay. Minute. Year.
Solar year. Solar year.
What is solar?
And solar day.
Solar day, solar year. What is solar year? Tell me.
lunar month.
And 365 1/4 day.
Yeah, 0.25. Right. What is what do you mean by solar year? What do you mean by
Time
solar?
taken to complete
Time.
1 revolution.
By what?
By Earth.
Around what?
Sun.
Around Sun.
Complete. The definition means everything. Okay, solar year. It is a time taken by the Earth. Okay, to complete 1 revolution around the Sun. Okay, that is what is called solar year. Solar year is 365.25 days. Okay, 1 solar year. Right. Next one, lunar month. Tell me, what is lunar month? Yeah.
Time taken by the moon to. Time taken by the moon
Lunar. It is the time taken by the moon
to complete 1 revolution.
revolution around the Earth. That's it. Okay. Therefore, now I am giving lunar month. Lunar month here is nothing but how many days? Can you give me? 1 lunar.
27.3.
27, around 27.3 days. Lunar month is nothing but 27.3 days. That's it. Okay. Right. And very small, what is the time means? But second is okay. Apart from the less.
Planck's time.
Yeah. Shake. 1 is 10 power minus 8 seconds. 10 power minus 8 seconds. So usually we are using these practical units for measurement of very small. What is the timings? Is it clear? Hope you are following this. Yes. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Regarding that measurement, we will see Nanda Kishore. We will see that one. Anyhow, I have not given the explanation properly here. I know very well, because that we will see in the next class. How we will measure very large, because you told me how the distance between sun and earth are different. It is that I will let you know. Okay. Anyhow, and in your chemistry you have studied one thing. Anyhow, I'll give you chemistry class. Whether metric prefixes for powers of 10. Whether you have seen this one. Chemistry you would have studied first chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that just I'm highlighting. That's it. Okay. So very high large prefix. Whether you have studied this? Hexa, peta, tera, everything?
No, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'll tell you. See here, you see whether it is clearly shown. See, listen. Actually, it is metric prefixes for powers of 10. Okay. So how to? For example, your kilometer. Meter is the unit. Kilo is a prefix, correct? Kilometer. Kilo means 10 power 3, I think you know. Is it clear? Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Nanometer. Just now we have seen what is nanometer. Meter is SI unit.
10 power of minus 9.
So powers we are going to see. What are all the names given? Prefix given. Okay. Multiplication fact. See, first very huge things we will see. Very high. Hexa. Symbol is E. Okay, let me give right here. Okay, hexa. Okay, symbol is given as E. What is hexa? 10 power 18. Okay, therefore, if I want to give you, okay, hexameter, hexa kilogram. What is hexa kilogram? What is hexa kilogram? Or E kg. Are you following? Hexa symbol क्या है? Capital E. That is nothing but hexa का 10 power क्या? 10 power 18 kilogram. I think you are able to follow how we have to understand. Is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, is it hexa kilogram or hexagram?
Kilogram. Exo kilogram. I have given hexa kilogram.
Ma'am, because kilo itself is a prefix, no, ma'am?
No, that is, let it be. I am giving hexa kilogram. Or, okay, that is why I am giving 10 power 18 kilogram. I have not given gram. Are you following?
Okay.
If you want.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course. What you are telling is correct. There are two prefixes, but doesn't matter. Hexagram means, okay, what is that? Hexagram. Okay, therefore hexagram ke liye kya hai? What is that? It is 10 power 80 gram. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes, yes.
So that is okay. Anyhow, so very good. That is correct. But here I have used hexa kilogram. It is 10 power 8 kilogram. Just you because I have used here the SI unit here. That's why kilogram. Okay, right. Next one is peta. Next one, peta is capital. What is symbol? Capital P. 1 peta is nothing but 10 power 15. Okay, peta meter. What is peta meter? 1 peta.
10 power 15
10 to the
meter.
power of minus 10 to the power of 15 meter.
Minus नहीं है. So तो बहुत, it is very huge units here we are dealing with. Okay. Therefore, it is 10 power 15 meter. Tera. Terabyte. I think you have no tera. Tera means capital T. It is, the symbol is capital T. Okay. Therefore, terasecond. Tell me, terasecond.
10
Tera-
power 12 seconds.
That's
10
it.
power of 12 seconds.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay. The next one, giga. Giga means G. Capital G. Giga we are very using. Gigabyte, terabyte. People are using now. Giga. Gigahertz. You will say gigahertz. Hertz mane kya hota? What is hertz?
Ma'am, unit of frequency.
SI units.
Gigahertz. Gigahertz means what is the 10 power 9 hertz. These are all very, very common units in communication. Okay. Therefore, gigahertz. Okay. Mega. The mega is 10 power 6. Mega. Okay. The megafarad. We used to mega, even megameter. Why not? Megameter. What is megameter? 10 power 6 meter. Are you following? Like that, kilometer. Kilo. Next one, 10 power 3. Hecto. Small h, 10 power 2. And deca, it is 10 power 1. These are all very big prefixes. Okay. Let us go to small prefix. Deci. Deci means 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Deci. Therefore, decimeter. Therefore, 1 by 10 meter. Is it clear? Right. Then centimeter.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, deca DECA, ma'am.
DECA. TK is given, huh? Okay. CA. Right. Okay. Yeah, it should be DECA.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Is it clear? Deca is DECA, ma? Yeah, of course. Right. Next one. What is milli? Millimeter. 1 by 1000 meter. Therefore, 10 power minus 3. Micrometer. Micro. Okay, actually, micro is not M. It is mu. Okay. So, micrometer. Okay, mu it is. Therefore, 10 power minus 6. Then nanometer, 10 power minus 9. Pico. Pico is used now. Like next year, you'll be using very commonly picofarad. Capacitance. Capacitance of a capacitor is usually this picofarad, microfarad. Therefore, what is 10 power minus 6 farad? Farad is a unit for capacitance. Condenser. You people are using a condenser for that. Anyhow, next year you'll be studying. Next one. Where we are using usually, that is by femto. Femto you know very well. Femto, nuclear size. Nuclear size, what is the radius of the nucleus? 10 power minus 15 meter, I think, right? 10 power minus 14 to 15 meter. Therefore, it is femtometer. Otto. Very, very least unit here is, what is that? Otto. Otto is 10 power minus 18. Even there is a units here. What is that? Yeah, there is a zepto is that. Zepto. Zepto means 10 power minus 21.
Yoko.
Okay. Then yocto. Yocto is there. 10 power minus 24. Y. How to represent small y? Small y, it is 10 power minus 24. Zepto means small z. Okay. But these are, we are not using very commonly. These are all the prefixes that. Very common prefixes I told you. Every now and then we will be using giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano. Everything is very much useful. Very much practically we are using in day-to-day life. But these things are very not that common. Zepto, but you should have an idea. Zepto means 10 power minus 21 and yocto means 10 power minus 24. Okay. And even here also, deca, what is that? We have seen up to hexa only. Yeah. Okay, hexa. There is one called zeta. Capital Z. Capital. Small z. Small z means, I told you, zepto. Capital Z means it is, what is that? It is zeta. Zeta. What is that zeta? Prefix is zeta means 10 power 18. I think 10 power 21. 10 power 21. Okay. More than hexa, it is zeta. Zeta means what is the symbol? Z. it is 10 power 21 prefix, 10 power 21 powers. Okay, then yoto, yoto, yota, here what is yota? It is yota. Yota means capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, that is 10 power 24. These are all more than exa. Okay, 10 power 24 is what is called iota, and it is capital Y. What is the 10 power 24? Multiplication factor is 10 power 24. But they are not that common, but have an idea. That's it. Is it clear?